Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Today I'm gonna be talking all about my experience in the crypto markets for probably the last 4 years. Unfortunately, there's no good ending to this. I lost 50,000 pesos in this span of 4 years. Unfortunately, that's one of the problems I have been trading. I am trading consistently on and off. I've been studying technical analysis and fundamental analysis. I even studied the market cap of those coins to give me a higher chance of getting profit. So I've been doing it since 2020, going up and down considerably, and then again I've been reinvesting my salary. That's how I got to 50k. So I started with around 3,000 pesos. I save it up for like a month of my salary, then I've been trading it frequently until I got to around 9k. It's slowly becoming unprofitable until I reach around 500. And then I tried to keep on doing it. I thought that it's just a learning curve. Every month my salary will be going there. And I think one thing that I noticed that my patterns are very emotional, since I noticed that if a trade doesn't go well, I keep on trading to restore the original amount. So example, I got to around 6,000 and then I started losing to around 4,000, and in my mind I just got very deep into revenge trading, so I just lost 2k. So I keep on trading until even the 2k loss will be around 3 to 4k. That is how I kept on losing. I've been studying fundamental analysis, technical, for another 2 years. I've been doing them simultaneously, so that's how I done the trading. So yeah, I'm doing futures. So you guys already know that's even higher volatility. So that comes with a lot of risks, especially for futures trading. And I check it out today, and unfortunately that's the biggest loss I had in total, which is 50,000. I really wish that a lot of people will see this video, because I've been consuming YouTube videos of tutorials of technical analysis, fundamental analysis to this coin and this coin is that and that. Even the guarantee technical analysis, it doesn't always work, guys. Like the double top, and then once you double top, it means it's gonna go drop, and sometimes the market doesn't care. It will go down to double top, and then when you think it's getting lower, it just goes up, and then there you go, you get liquidated, and that's the loss. Another weakness that I noticed is that some patterns that you think are happening doesn't actually goes well. So that's one of the weaknesses of technical analysis, is that it doesn't always happen. It does sometimes, but sometimes it doesn't, and it always guarantee that you are not gonna make money if you keep on just relying on it. If you sum it up in this 4 years, the 50k, if I just put it in Bitcoin or Ethereum, I would have been up by at least 20 to 30%. So imagine my shock that if you just dollar cost average, or just keep on reinvesting your money, not just trading it or whatever, you would have made quite a lot of money. If you calculate it, your 50k would have been around 80k or 70k. Imagine that, guys. I can't say it for everyone, but I can say it to most of the people, that 99% of you guys are gonna be losing money, especially in the first 2 years of trading. Now, I am not one of those lucky ones. They invested like 10k and then it all of a sudden get to 1 million or 2 million. Those are very few, guys. And this is a warning for everyone, that don't always believe in everything, and always take risk reduction. And when you guys promise, if you profit already, just get it. Whatever capital you invested, just take it out, and the one that your profit will be the one you get to trade. Trust me, guys, it's so annoying and devastating as well, seeing that my hard work has not profited into anything. So I really wish more people get to know this, and that's it. Thank you.
Garnichis Valchès, Mr. McDonald.
I'm loaded.
Good. Citrouille.